At the House of Style, I have very gorgeous Sophie Chaudhary and of course our very known designer Neeta Lulla. How are you guys doing today?
Great, thank you. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. Neeta as well. I feel really nice seeing you every time, we come up and we bump into each other somehow. How do you feel, being related? I mean, you're with Blenders Pride. You've been doing this over and over again. How does it feel and having Sophie Chaudhary with you?
It feels like being on home grounds when you're showcasing a new collection. It feels fantastic, and I think this particular collection, being with Sophie as my muse, is brilliant because of the way she carries the simplest of garments and her hair and her look, which she becomes a part of the garment. It's not like the garment is shouting for attention and she's on a different platform. So I guess it's very important that your muse can carry off your clothes very well and kind of look elegant, stunning, and be comfortable in what she's wearing. So yeah, that's what Sophie meant for me for this entire collection, because this collection is also about a very romantic woman, a woman who's flirtatious, who's sensuous, and I think Sophie's all that.
Sophie,
I need to work on my flirting techniques. I've been single too long. I'm going out tonight in this outfit. I'm going to work it.
we better watch out. We'll be watching you, Sophie.
Okay.
We're dropping 1, 2, 3.
Sophie, and I think in IFA as well, I've seen you wearing Neeta's outfit.
This time I've worn one of Neeta's outfits to an event, and it was part of her Kalamkari collection, which is outstanding. I'm really lucky to have been the first person to wear something from that collection because I felt like a princess that day. It was so beautiful. And I mean, previously this year, the first time we worked together was on Ala Re Ala for my shootout at Wadala song. And so from that to IFA to this, I mean, it's 3 completely contrasting looks. And I think that's what's really exciting for both her and me. That when you come together, you create something different together. And you're on the same page and you're on the same wavelength. And I can't believe it's taken so long for us to work together. But it's great that when we do, people talk about it. That's a nice thing.
Of course.
Yeah.
And having Sophie, is there any such situation where she's, no, I don't think so I would fit on this. No, I don't think so I would like. Any fuss that Sophie does, we would want to know.
Not at all. Not at all. In fact, she is, like we would say, quite an obedient bacha.
Right?
Yes, totally. Is this how you want it? Okay, that's fine. But she's quite a stickler for perfection, which is fantastic. Very few people in the industry, who can be such sticklers for perfection, which is very important and very welcome. And I must say, the name Hot Tour is brilliant. It's a brilliant concept.
Thank you so much. And Sophie, now before I let you go, Blenders Pride, it's been like everyone looks forward to it. It's fashionable, even though it's fashion, but the name itself.
Yes. You know what? I think what the nicest thing about Blenders Pride is they do it on a huge scale. It's very fashionable. It's almost cutting edge. I think the designers have a great time doing it, which is why you see some of their best collections. But it's also such a fun tour. It's a positive, fun way to celebrate fashion, and I love that. It's not something that's kind of really stuck up and not accessible. Fashion must be accessible to people, and it must be fun. I think people who take it too seriously, I think that becomes a little bit of a problem. I think even designers who are creating garments, it's their profession and it's their passion, but if they don't have fun with it, how are they going to create something new? So I think that's what I love about Blenders. I've walked every year for a designer, so this year as well you'll see me walking and attending, and I look forward to that.
Of course. And I think we are really looking forward to it because it's Neeta Lulla and Sophie Chaudhary. Stay tuned guys, we'll get you a lot more.